after the show. Snakes in a blanket. My mother, she was a kid. She walked into the room. She was so hot. She made smoke go everywhere. And then I was born. Everyone was hugging my cheeks and oh, I remember that. And then, when I was 21, I got my first bun. I don't see the funny part there. It kept me warm. It was the best pal I ever had. And I still have it. Right around me. Don't I have it on me? Yes. Okay. And my children, they're growing up to be just like my mother. I don't realize that when a hot dog goes in its house, microwave, it really, I don't know how long it lives. Where's the news reporter? I need to ask her.